Adverbs. Adverbs are also very special types of words that are used in grammar. Adverbs can tell where, when, how, why and to what extent something is going to happen, something has happened. So, what are adverbs? We shall do it in detail. An adverb can modify verb, adjective, adverb, phrase or even a clause. So, these are basically the modifying words. The adverb is always going to indicate the manner in which anything has happened, that is good or bad, time when the thing has happened, the cause, why the thing has happened and degree to what extent, is it good, is it better or it is going to be best or not. So, adverbs answer how, when, where and how much. So, any of these questions are to be answered by an adverb. So, adverb can be identified by their suffix ly like bravely, nicely, slowly. They can also be identified by untangling the grammatical relationship in the sentences. Also, there is one very important point about adverb, that they can be in many places within a sentence. So, that was about adverb.